Hey everybody, I'm Doug Shoemaker with the Shoemaker Loan Team at Homestead Financial Mortgage. Now, some of you guys might know me from my involvement with either Midwest WingFest or the H.O.M.E Foundation as well, but today I'm coming to you on behalf of the Flagman's Mission Continues. Now, recently I had the privilege of meeting Jeff Hastings, and he's the person who is trusted with a really important job, which was to continue the Flagman's mission. Now, the Flagman's mission was actually initiated by Larry Eckhart in 2006 after he attended a soldier's funeral. It was kind of heartbroken that there wasn't more going on for this soldier, and he just felt the need to honor the sacrifice in this soldier's hometown. So Larry, also known as the Flagman, started distributing 3 foot by 5 foot flags at funerals for local servicemen and women in small towns across Illinois. Now, over the years, Larry accumulated over 3,000 flags, and along with some really amazing volunteers, has actually placed them at more than 200 funerals of first responders covering multiple states within really tight time frames. I mean, they normally only have 24 to 48 hours from the time they're notified to be on site and putting up these flags. Now, sadly, Larry the Flagman passed on March 30th of 2020. But beforehand, he entrusted Jeff with the responsibility of continuing the mission. Now, like I said, I had the opportunity to meet Jeff about a month ago and was so blown away by what these guys do that I pretty much immediately committed to volunteering at some of the funerals and assisting with some fundraising efforts. Well, the time has actually come for my first mission, and I hope that you will join me. Heroes down, flags up. That was how the text read. And our mission this week is for Senior Airman Markus Smiley, who passed away at the very young age of 29 on January 16th of this year. Now, Markus was a proud 2012 graduate of O'Fallon High School. He attended SIUE and later joined the Illinois Air National Guard to serve his country. Markus loved to travel and had a zest for adventure that allowed him to have many memories and just as many friendships. So if you'd like to volunteer for this or future Flagman missions, please check out the link above. Now, Jeff mentioned that we'll be placing approximately 600 flags, and with enough volunteers, it should only take us around 2 to 3 hours. Now, the setup's scheduled for Friday, January 26th at the Lakeview Funeral Home in the Memorial Garden Chapel parking lot at 5000 North Illinois Street in Fairview Heights, Illinois. We're going to be meeting there at 10 a.m., and then teardown is going to take place at the same location, but on Sunday the 28th at 1 p.m. So, everybody, it's one thing to lose a loved one, and it's another thing for them to ever be forgotten. So let's all come together to honor Senior Airman Markus Smiley and show our support by putting up these 600 flags in his honor so that all will remember him when they think of these flags. Hey everybody, between the Flagman's Mission Continues, Midwest WingFest that raises money for combat wounded soldiers and the families of fallen heroes, and the H.O.M.E Foundation that helps first responders save money and get great deals because they served our country and community, we've got plenty of opportunities. So if you'd like to get involved, please reach out today. You can text or email me your name, number, and email. Together, we can do our best to make sure that these heroes are remembered.